Only once in a while comes an exceptional value in this community, and this one is located on a cul-de-sac street in a highly desirable and prestigious Anaheim Hills neighborhood. This beautiful home offers a premier floor plan with all the amenities a family could want. This home is filled with natural light and is very spacious. The owner has just completed an extensive remodel. Engineered wood floorings covers the downstairs and the bathrooms, with plush new carpeting in all 4 bedrooms. Go ahead and gather the kids together in this expansive family room with server bar, brick fireplace, and yes, a view of the pool. There's a large room downstairs that can be used as an office, play, or a bonus room. Also, it has an inside laundry room. Comes with all new windows and patio doors, new interior doors, faucets, and fixtures. Go ahead and create culinary delights in this beautifully remodeled kitchen with its custom shaker cabinets, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances, which include double ovens, a built-in 5-burner gas top, microwave, and a new dishwasher. Custom paint abounds in every room, so go ahead and enjoy the expansive wood beam ceilings in the entry, living room, dining room, and the huge master suite. The upstairs boasts 3 secondary bedrooms with new flooring, paint, lights and doors and windows, and a remodeled hallway bathroom with double sinks, tub, and a shower. The immense master suite features vaulted wood beam ceilings, a private deck overlooking the pool and rear landscape grounds, a spacious walk-in closet and spa-like ensuite with dual sinks, separate shower, and a jetted tub. Retreat to your private pool and spa, just resurfaced by the way, and the pool is surrounded by beautiful mature landscaping and new wrought iron fencing. Conveniently located to premier shopping, schools and parks, and entertainment, plus easy access to both the 91 and the 241 thoroughways. But don't delay, this home will become someone's very soon.